How to Paint a Church in Watercolor by Ilya Ibryaev. The topic of this lesson is how to paint architecture in watercolor. Here we have a Spanish Baroque church on a light sky background. The creative task I had in mind is not to portray every single architectural detail, but to create an impression of a beautiful building lit by sunshine. Here is the finished artwork that I will produce by the end of this lesson. I start by making a drawing in graphite on 300 GSM watercolor paper made of 100% cotton. In this sketch, I outline the main proportions without too many details. I wet the paper with an atomizer just a little bit so that I can paint a light sky wet into wet. For the sky, I am using a pure ultramarine pigment, and I am using a round mop brush. I now rotate the board and spray it even more with an atomizer. This softens up the brush strokes, creating an illusion of white clouds. It is important to preserve white paper and leave it untouched.